thank you for reviewing this tour. This charming cottage is within walking distance to Zellers Beach along Sandusky Bay. This welcoming cottage was recently renovated from the inside out with updated kitchen, windows, electrical, siding, roof, and the list goes on. Enjoy views of the bay from the front yard or take a walk across the road to the white sandy beach along the bay with boat ramp, day docks, and basketball court access. Finish the evening off in the outdoor spaces with partial fence to enjoy, dine, or entertain guests, or warm up to the modern fireplace that heats the whole home. Just pack your bags and enjoy the lake. Rear lot can be purchased as a package to allow additional parking for the boat, garage, or to expand your yard. Come take a look at this cottage by the bay today.